Welcome back, book buddies! Today we are going to read a Bluey book. This book is called Typewriter. Let's go! At school, Bluey is being a story writer. Chloe comes to tell her that it's time for a story with Calypso. Tick, 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 ching! Tick, 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 ching! Everyone sits up straight to listen. Snickers tries and tries, but oops! Calypso begins. There once was an old dog who had sat on a chest by the side of the road for all his life, begging for treats. One day a gnome came by and said to the old dog, "Have you tried opening that chest you sit on to see what's inside?" "Oh, of course not. There's nothing inside," said the old dog. "It's empty." "Can I sit next to you, Coco?" says Winston. He sits right up close to her. Winston is a space invader. The gnome insists that the old dog open the chest, Calypso continues. And when he did, he discovered that it was full of treats. Bluey doesn't think the story makes sense, so she decides to write a new one with a better ending. Well, when she and Chloe get back to the typewriter, it's gone. "Hey, where'd the real typewriter go?" "I'll go ask Calypso," says Bluey. "I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter." On her way to find Calypso, Bluey sees Snickers. He looks sad. "Hey, Snickers, what's wrong?" "Everyone else has learned to sit, except me." "But you're a sausage dog," says Bluey. "It's going to take you longer." "Because you're longer." "I hate being a sausage dog," Snickers moans. Bluey suggests that Snickers come to find Calypso, so she can help them both. On the way, they bump into Winston. He looks sad too. "Hey, Winston, what's wrong?" "Everyone keeps running away from me." "Why don't you come to see Calypso with us?" asks Bluey. "Maybe she can help." "Okay," says Winston. "I'll follow you." The three friends head off until they are stopped by the Terriers. They are playing a game. "Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at you," the Terriers say when Bluey, Snickers and Winston don't fall over. "Not real ones," says Snickers. "Please can you pretend that they're real?" asked the Terriers. "Okay," Bluey says. She yells to Snickers and Winston, "Arrows, get down!" They race away from the pretend real arrows. "Snickers, you sneak round them through those skinny trees," says Bluey, "and then wait at the top of the hill to do you know what." Snickers sneaks through the skinny trees as a terrier tries to spot him. "I'm coming. Where are you?" But Snickers' sausage shape keeps him hidden. Meanwhile, Bluey has an idea for getting past one of the other terriers. "Ask him a question," she tells Winston, "and then he'll run away." Winston's confused. "Why would he run away if I ask a question?" "Because you're a space invader. It's someone who stands too close." Winston gives it a go. "Are you gluten-free?" Winston, not so close. "Just tell me, are you gluten-free?" Ah! It works. The last terrier has them trapped, but Winston has an idea. "Use this shield," he says, handing Bluey a pretend real shield. "Okay," says Bluey. "Hang on." Ping! Boing! Ping! Badoing! Ping! They escape and scare the terrier away. Bluey and Winston run away up the hill, but the terriers soon chase them. Bluey shouts to Snickers, "Snickers now!" "Sausage, roll!" I love being a sausage dog. Good one, Snickers, Bluey and Winston shout. Then Bluey laughs. Hey, Winston, look! Winston isn't standing close. I'm not a space invader. Finally, Bluey asks Cleo where the real typewriter has gone. It's around here somewhere, says Cleo. Hey, how did you get past the Terriers? I used a shield, says Bluey. See? Ting, ting. That's a nice shield. Okay, typewriter, where is it? Cleo smiles. What if I asked you to show me a typewriter? Bluey shows Calypso a pretend real typewriter, just like she used the pretend real shield to escape the Terriers. Tick, 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 cling! That's a lovely typewriter, isn't it? Says Calypso. Thanks, Calypso, says Bluey as she races off. I'm going to write my story now. It is a lovely typewriter, and Bluey will always have it with her. There's the real one. Calypso was hiding it. What a fun story. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.